In today's video, I'll show you on how to keep Microsoft Teams status always available. Basically, if you're using the web version or the application version right here, the steps are going to be the same. The first thing that you want to do is to simply click on your account icon, click on this option right here, and then you want to click available. From there, you then want to click on the set status message, and then you simply want to type always available on this text bar. And from there, you then want to make sure that you have select the this week option. Now take note that you have to do this for a couple of times per month. Basically in here, I have the always available status, and to make sure that it stays always available, you then want to head over to your web browser. If you're using web browser, it's necessary to do this. Just click on the available option, click manage presence status, scroll all the way down, and you want to make sure that the keep my current status when I'm active outside of Teams on web is enabled. So because sometimes the Microsoft Teams right here will then change your status if you're using the web version, if you navigate through other tabs or other program on your computer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.